In this video, we will show you how to install Alpena's TaskLED DUAL into an existing wiring harness. These instructions can also be used for the following Alpena products: HexFire DUAL, LED Rover HD, and TaskLED 9. You will need the following tools for this installation. Protective eyewear must be used. Let's get started. Open the box to lay out your products and ensure you have all your parts. Grab the mounting brackets and place the shorter bolt through the opening of the bracket's base. This will be used to mount to the preferred adapter or vehicle with the lock washer and nut. Place the long bolt through the side of the bracket and into the body of the TaskLED DUAL. Now place the remaining washer, lock washer, and nut onto the bolt to secure the bracket. Repeat for the other light. Place the TaskLED flush to the mounting surface. Thread the mounting bolt in the bracket through the hole and then tighten with the included washers and nut. If you have an existing power source, remove your power connectors to the battery to allow for crimping. Disconnect the negative terminal, followed by the positive terminal. Be sure to avoid cross-terminal connecting with your tool to avoid short-circuiting. Find your positive and negative wires from the existing wires and TaskLEDs. Grab 2 female crimp connectors and crimp to the positive and negative wires of the TaskLED. Repeat for the second TaskLED with the remaining female crimp connectors. Grab 2 male crimp connectors and crimp to the positive and negative wires of the existing power outputs. Repeat for the second output with the remaining male crimp connectors. Connect your first TaskLED's crimp connectors to the existing power. Repeat for the other TaskLED. Now reconnect your ground connection to the battery. And reconnect your positive terminal to the battery. Tighten to secure connection. If you have an existing light switch, turn on the light. Tidy up the wiring and ensure it's not close to heat sources or moving engine parts. Use cable ties to contain the wiring if needed, and cut the excess cable tie to avoid future injuries. And you're all set. Now you're ready to use your utility lights.